You probably saw the charts. I am not exaggerating. Something crazy is happening to Bitcoin right now. Actually, something we were predicting here for a few days. Let me quickly go into the charts. And I really this is very, I just set this up here in the kitchen because I want to come to you before I go asleep. And of course, in the moment it is necessary. We were on our channel talking about this falling wedge. And as you can see, this falling wedge just broke out here. And right now we actually went above the 36,000 US dollar level. I was mentioning in the video earlier today, once it was actually this video, I am putting 4.4 million US dollars in this Bitcoin position. When I was uploading this video, I was telling you the moment we are breaking the 36,000 US dollar level, and let me actually go over to the hourly candles. In this moment, I am going to double down. This was right here, right there. I doubled down on my trade from approximately 2.2 million US dollars to 4.4 million US dollars. And before I am talking about whether I think we are going to reach 42,000, a number I was mentioning in the video earlier, or whether we are going even higher, before I'm going to answer this question, and also before I'm gonna tell you what I would be doing if I would be standing on the sidelines right now trading wise, I wanted to talk about my trade here. And of course, not only for everyone who's interested in it, no, especially for everyone who was taking this trade here with me, with the MMCrypto community. Let me quickly see here, where do I find my trade? I have to zoom out again. Oh, wow, this is the mobile version here now. Let me quickly refresh. There you go. So here you can see my trade. And I actually opened this trade with 2.2 million US dollars. I was talking about that earlier, and then I told you when we break 36, I put another 2.2 million in. I put my money where my mouth is. Here you can see it, 4.4 million US dollars in this specific trade. And now the average entry price is 35,000 US dollars. The liquidation price is at 33,000. I will probably add some equity and deleverage myself below 33,000 US dollars. And here you can see the profit right now hovering around 400,000 US dollars, 410,000 US dollars to be exact. And the funny thing is, let me quickly pull out this cable here. The funny thing is that what happened today has never ever happened before in the history of Bitcoin. We had in a matter of 1 minute, a 2,000 US dollar move. Bitcoin went up 2,000 US dollar higher in 60 seconds. We are talking about 6% in 60 seconds. If you entered our trade here with us, I did a 14x leverage, then in 2 minutes, you made 100% return almost. In 1 minute, sorry, in 1 minute. This is crazy about crypto and trading. This is why I was in the last few weeks, you more disincentivizing for trading than incentivizing, and why I 2 days ago switched that and told you exactly where I'm going to open these trades. Because when Bitcoin goes sideways for ages and everyone is getting bored, this is the moment we should get vigilant. And now let's go back into the charts and see what is actually happening here. And the new hourly candle is performing very well. Bitcoin going back above towards the 40,000 US dollar levels. Now let's go back into it here at the 1 hourly candles. And before I'm going to continue here, I wanted to ask you, there is a problem because I already uploaded 2 videos today. YouTube is not so generous with the notifications. So this video was just pushed on Telegram and Twitter. This is why we only have 3,000 people watching. This should be 10,000. The problem is the YouTube notifications are not going out. What you can do right now is, please guys, take a second out of your day before I go back into the charts and smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Share this video and make comments. And for the simple reason that only then YouTube understands, hey guys, this is a live video which is relevant. This is a live video people are actually engaging on, and this is a video we should actually recommend to people. So please guys, do me this one little small favor. Today it is very important. I just really want to see a bigger audience here. So please support me on this one, and now let's get into it. More than 1,000 likes within like 20 seconds. You are amazing, guys. Please, the last people, also smash up the like button and help us here getting a few more people in. So let me quickly go back onto the daily candles, and I want to make it as easy as possible. I know it's not very professional here to, stay on page. It's not very professional here to do this from my phone to the laptop, but man, it's like 3 a.m. in Spain, and I just want to go sleep, man. Anyway, so we got the daily, we got the breakout here. At this breakout, I opened the first trade. I told you, put in a stop loss, very dangerous. Well, we still went up, right? So now at 36,000, I opened a new trade. Now I will mention quickly here the reasons for that. So we are on the daily candles. Not only that the EMA ribbon on the daily is right now upward sloping again, preparing a potential flip. This is number one. No, also with the 36,000 US dollar level, which was a psychologically important one, we also have converging with that a breakout out of the EMA ribbon here on the daily candles. So of course we had here converging psychological resistance. And the moment we break it, this is why I told you at 36,000, I'm not gonna close my trade. No, I'm going to double down. This is what I did, and you can see here in this exact moment the volatility went significantly higher. The funniest part about this is this daily candle, this is the daily candles, is 2 hours old. Within 2 hours, not only we moved more than in all daily candles since, I don't know, like month. No, look at this. We already created the same volume like the previous volume candles, instead of in 24 hours, in only 2 hours. So we have volume support. We have a confirmation of the breakout. We have a break above 36,000. And we have a break above the EMA ribbon. Guys, I was telling you throughout... Oh, quickly, let me quickly go back. I was telling you throughout the last, I don't know, 2 months or so, hey guys, I'm stepping back. I am going to be much more cautious and I will trade much more seldomly. I was telling you that I am trading almost nothing. And I think in like 2 months, I opened 2 trades, right? Now, 2 days ago, I told you now it is the moment to get vigilant again. Now it is the moment to take advantage of the potentially upcoming volatility for Bitcoin. I was mentioning this specific, oh geez, my fingers are too fat. I was mentioning, no, I'm switching too much. I was mentioning this specific pattern here. And actually, guys, let me go over here and show you what I was also mentioning, because if I am going over into my video from today, let me play you this little clip here from earlier today, where I was exactly mentioning this. On the daily candles, you can also see that furthermore, we are having resistance here at the 35.5, 35. This video is just like, I don't know, 12 hours old or so. 6 level. I personally mentioned the 36,000 US dollar level as a very important level to surpass. So if you are in a trade right now, you can already take some profits at 36,000. But I'm personally, if we are breaking the 36,000 US dollar level, going to double down. And one important thing we have to understand here. Actually, this is already the most important. I told you that I am going to double down, and I doubled down, of course. And I wanted to quickly mention also for everyone who is trading right now, or this is my own live video, for everyone who wants to trade or who is trading right now, guys, you might as well use our bonus link here, because with our link in the pinned comment, you get not 500, 600, no, now $1,200 for free. If you go to the video description, because there's no pinned comment, and I think I have to update this description. I always do it manually, so here in this live stream, it's probably visible still in the old one, not the Bybit bonus, no, the FEMAX bonus is the $1,200 one. So if you click the FEMAX link down below, Bybit is now down to $200 or so. The FEMAX link down below, you make your own account. After your initial deposit, you get the $1,200. And let's say you opened at 36,000 as I predicted it, this trade with 1,200 US dollars at, let's say you go crazy, you only trade the bonus at a 30x leverage. This is at a 30x leverage, 6%. It's like 180% on your 1,200 US dollars. So you basically got 2,000 something US dollars just like this for free on your equity withdrawable. This is why these bonuses are nice. If you have discipline, you can take advantage of that. So go down below in the video description, only if you're an experienced trader, but if you are, click the link, the FEMAX link, make your own account, and after your initial deposit, you get this bonus here for free. And if in the pinned comment, in the video description, it only tells you 600, no, it's $1,200. It has to be updated because I'm live here. So now let's go back into the chart here, and let's see what else can we identify in the Bitcoin chart. And as you remember, I was mentioning here, and like I kid you not, guys, go back and most of you guys will remember anyways. Right here, no, somewhere in these areas for sure, I was saying my worst case scenario, I didn't predict that it will happen, but I said my worst case scenario is a breakdown, a fulfillment of the Wyckoff pattern down to 28,800 or like 29 to 30,000, I said, right? This is what happened. So we hit this bottom here already. I was telling you throughout this whole time, I don't think we are going lower than that. And we did not go lower than that. And I was also telling you, I am expecting a breakout towards the upside here. And once we reach 36,000, 42,000 is the next price level. All of these things actually happen. And yes, guys, within that, of course, every now and then I had a bad trade, or I had like some prediction which was not perfectly accurate. But in total, we were in the MMCrypto community perfectly able to predict these things. And another reason why I still think that it is very unlikely that we are going below these levels is that this support here is not only support from the Elon Musk buying zone, not only support from this amazing Twitter discussion we had recently where Elon Musk announced that Tesla is accepting Bitcoin probably soon again, but more importantly that Tesla, SpaceX and Elon himself are holding Bitcoin. This is the support, psychologically support, technical support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ditches down. Then we had here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 daily candles bouncing in and bouncing from there. It's very strong support. Of course, we shouldn't touch it many more times, but so far it was holding, and this is the reason why I am still on this bullish standpoint. I was at the bullish standpoint at 29,000, 30,000 people. It was not very popular to be so, but I think now it's more popular, and now it's much more... it feels much better to be bullish right now because I got some crazy comments. Anyways, so now let's see where more resistance is coming in for Bitcoin. If we are pulling out the VPVR, let me take out the vertical volume. Here we have the horizontal volume. And well, congratulations, we went above the point of control already. Amazing. Now Bitcoin is still fighting here with this cluster of resistance. We have a cluster of resistance between 29,000 to 42,000. These numbers, they are coming everywhere, over and over again. 42,000 right there, 42,000 being the high of the previous pump, 42,000 being the top of the wedge. Interesting, right? And at 42,000, we have also the last cluster of resistance actually ending. And then there's a lot of thin air until 46,000 at least. Also, this not too much significant volume. So the real resistance from a volume perspective, from a volume profile perspective, is coming in at 54,500. But of course, we have 46,000 and the 42,000 level, the most important one, definitely a level where I will take profits before we are even reaching that. Just taking some partial profits here doesn't really hurt. If you joined with me on this trade, now it's turning around. If you joined me on this trade earlier, when I mentioned in the last video or in the video before, probably already 200% in a profit. So if you are soon taking half of the chips from the table, you have your whole money back, and the rest you can completely ride towards the upside. And even in an apocalyptic scenario, you are still break even out of this trade. It really hurts in the moment you are taking profits, but I can promise you after doing it, you will feel well, because it's the right thing to do to take profits on the way towards the upside. Because remember, guys, what we are doing on Phemex here, it is trading Bitcoin settled futures. So if you are taking profits out of your trade, you are taking these profits in Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes higher, you are still making profits, guys. If Bitcoin goes lower, well, psychologically, you are at least holding the same amount of Bitcoin. If you are taking one Bitcoin and profit out, Bitcoin goes down 50% in value, you still hold this one Bitcoin, right? It's beautiful, guys. It is really beautiful, and this is what I like about Bitcoin settled futures. It's just psychologically, if you have the right mindset, it's so easy to take profits. It's so easy to have discipline and so on. Wow. I will go back into the charts very soon, but I really wanted to leave some words of appreciation here. 2,000 likes, 4,400 people watching live without any YouTube notifications. This is crazy, guys. I think you guys are sharing like crazy. I see you are liking like crazy, and you are also commenting like crazy. Love you, Chris. I love you guys. I love like every single one of you. Even haters watching, I love you as well. Thank you so much for giving us this watch time and helping the YouTube algorithm understand that this video should be recommended to more haters out there. But actually, honestly, I was very surprised with this. So with this sideways action for Bitcoin, I was expecting so much hate, especially for me predicting the bottom at 29,000. And I have to say, there was not as much hate coming as I expected, actually almost nothing. 99% of the comments are still positive, like almost. I had a 95% like to dislike ratio, even like in massive down days. And I didn't see that anywhere else. This shows me furthermore that we are the strong hands, that we are the smart money here at the MMCrypto community. And this is just amazing. And don't get me wrong, guys, critics are always good. If you have something to criticize, perfect, just do it. I was just telling you, insane positivity in this community. I got a notification, amazing. So there are some notifications coming out, but I have to admit I'm also going online here at the worst time possible. But I don't know, man. I think it's a good time to go live, right? If you agree here, smash up the like button. So now let's pull out something else which is interesting, because what we can see here is the 50 period moving average, and this should be the 200 period. Yes, 200 period moving average. So we had this death cross here, and some people are saying, hey, before we are ever going to make any celebrations, wait for the golden cross. The golden cross would be this one, which is already upward sloping, going above the 200 period moving average. But this would be approximately towards the end of September, right? But I can understand these people. I can understand where they are coming from. They are coming from an historical perspective. And of course, right there, where we had the death cross, we went lower a little bit, right? Pumped like crazy. We are talking here about a pump of 50%, right? Just like in 1.5 weeks after the death cross. So people were, of course, screaming, hey guys, the bull market is not over again. The bull market is not over. Well, lower high, no golden cross, and furthermore downwards momentum. Only in the moment we had this golden cross once again, this was the start of the bull market and the confirmation that this was the actual low. So right now it's, of course, I'm a bull, right? So me saying I don't think this is the start of the bear market is, of course, you could question the objectivity I'm having with this statement, right? But nevertheless, we have to admit that things are different, that we have a whole new group of buyers actually coming in. And we have to admit that the economic and political uncertainty is higher than, I don't know, ever, at least since the inception of Bitcoin in 2009. And we have to admit that the money printing is crazier than ever before. We had 28% of the US dollar circulating supply printed only within the last 12 months. All of these things being very beneficial for Bitcoin. Nevertheless, I do see the argument here that, geez, do I turn around the camera here? This is I feel like, is YouTube actually making the app worse with every update? I hope not, man. So I do see the argument that we should wait for this, because if this is not the end of the bull market, then, well, we might as well wait for the golden cross, since then we have many more months to go regardless, right? So why not wait another month, or why not wait another 1.5 months if we have afterwards 6 months of confirmed bull market? Well, this is a question you can legitimately ask, and I would like to know your opinion here. For me personally, a reversal is confirmed if we are going above at least with a high degree of certainty, above the 42,000 US dollar level. And of course, the last doubts are eliminated once we are putting in a new high. A new high for Bitcoin will prove us a new buy, because you know the deal. I think Da Vinci is always saying it. Show me a new high, I'll show you a buy. So obviously, this would be the last doubter's confirmation, and we can put in a new all-time high for Bitcoin before the 29th of September. So no matter what risk strategy you are going, you can wait for the golden cross. This you would probably, if this is not the end of the bull market, probably lose out on significant gains in terms of opportunity cost. Number two, you could wait for a break above the previous all-time high. Perfect. Or you go a little bit more of a risky approach, and you already assume that it's not the end of the bull market, which means if it's still a bull market, you are longing rallies, and you are longing rallies basically. And in a bull market, you are shorting breakdowns, right? So basically, you are shorting rallies in the bear market, and you are longing rejections in a bull market. This is the deal. So if you want to go the more risky approach and switch this trading strategy sooner than later, then I would recommend the break of the 42,000 US dollar level, 41,700 approximately. We can't assume a retest of 30,000 necessarily. You know what, guys? Smash up the like button now to 3,000 likes, please. And also leave some questions down below. Before I'm going back into the charts, I want to answer some of your questions. And I wanted to remind everyone who is joining right now, if you missed out actually on it, I am posting my trades in absolute real time over on Twitter as well. And this trade here, I posted there as well in the moment I opened it. 11 Bitcoin in realized profits approximately 420,000 US dollars, and my average entry price was 35,000, but I entered at 33,700 and at 36,000 something again. This is the average price, right? So this is my trade right now, and I'm giving these updates over on Twitter. If you do want to put in your own trade, go down below to the video description. In the video description, you will find a 2,500 US dollar bonuses combined, 1,200 on Femex alone. And important to mention is, if you go down below, the numbers are not updated. I'm still having the old numbers, and I have to update it always when I go live, and that's not often. Then I'm still having the old description. So I have to update this. The Bybit bonus is not 1,100 or whatever stands there. The Bybit bonus is only $200 right now. The Femex bonus though is 1,200 US dollars in the video description. No matter what number there is, with this Femex link, you get 1,200 US dollars for free. And now leave your question down below. Someone is saying on the 4 hourly we have a golden cross for Bitcoin. Interesting. I can check this out. Let me quickly check this out. I'm going over to the 4 hourly candles right now for Bitcoin. And no, there's no golden cross yet, but soon in 2 or 3 days, but no, not yet. Also, the 4 hourly golden cross is, of course, it's good, but it's not the most accurate. The daily is much more important. The higher the time frame, the more important, of course, most of the indicators are. By the way, guys, interesting fact, and I'm sad, of course, for this number as well, because it always results in people losing money, but that's in the end of the day, the forces of the market. The short liquidations. I personally, you know that I'm not shorting. I'm either longing or I'm waiting. I know that it's not always longing opportunity, but when there is a shorting opportunity, I'm waiting. Whereas when there is a longing opportunity, I'm longing. Easy as that, right? The short liquidations, and this is just what I heard. I have to still check the facts here. 110 million US dollars in a matter of very quickly. And this is why I mean, we have very often also big long liquidations, right? But this is why I'm not shorting Bitcoin. What you have to understand is, if you are shorting Bitcoin, you are short selling Bitcoin. So you are lending money, buying Bitcoin, and then selling them into the market technically. This is how shorting works. And then later on, you are buying them back with the money you sold in the first place. So sometimes you have to pay more or less, depending whether the price went higher or lower. So by shorting Bitcoin effectively, lending money to buy Bitcoin, then short sell it, or lending Bitcoin, then short sell it, by doing that, you are longing US dollar. So not shorting Bitcoin is not just something I'm doing out of my bullish mind. No, it is something I'm not doing because I don't want to go long on something which is being printed since the gold standard was taken away, which is being printed this year more than last year, and last year more than ever before. Why should I go long on US dollar by shorting Bitcoin? It's the riskiest thing you can do ever in the world. I'm not going long on US dollar. I hope you get my point here. Bitcoin is the scarcest asset in the history of mankind, and we are having a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get a hold of Bitcoin, of course, in the best case by buying and holding. This is something like people are today still crying, why didn't I get into Amazon? Oh, I had the chance. I had the chance to IPO Uber. I had the chance for this or for that. Well, guys, this is your chance right now. Come on, this is like once in a generation. And people still trying to make up reasons to sell Bitcoin. Oh, we are going down to 15,000, we're going down to 10, like whatever. Then you get double, triple the Bitcoin for the same money. Be happy about it. Really, Bitcoin is so scarce that people will beg you to sell you your Bitcoin. I mean, I don't know what else should I do, but instead of like doing daily videos, 2 videos a day, I don't know, man, searching new content for you every day, being bullish about Bitcoin fundamentally and long term every single day. Like, what else can I do? I really hope you get the spirit here, guys. I really want to take you with me. And I know I took many people with me here in the last few years, but I want everyone who is coming new here. By the way, if you are new to the channel, go down below, press subscribe, join the MMCrypto family. We're the most supportive, probably the most profitable, and definitely the most lovely community in the world. So please go down below, press subscribe, and also hit the bell. Yeah, so I want everyone who is coming new into the space to get the spirit here and join us on this long-term vision for Bitcoin. Yes, we are making significant profits here with Bitcoin in a short term. Me alone, I mean, this is unrealized, right? But 420,000 US dollars, like within one day. And I see your guys' profits. I saw someone, oh, I made 360,000 euros, 36,000 US dollars, 100,000 US dollars, 200,000. It's amazing. Think about how many profits we are making here. Nevertheless, I want to tell you, trading is not everything. The most important thing is buying Bitcoin, putting it on your cold storage, not touching it, buying and hodling. This is what it's about. And of course, this trading thing is just nice to outperform the markets in the immediate short term and also to add more Bitcoin from our profits in the trading portfolio to our hodling portfolio. Ethereum. Yeah, you know what? Let's do Ethereum, man. This makes so much sense since I'm holding so much Ethereum. I was just, oh, wow, this is a new ETH, USD. Now the question is, what is the best chart to use here? Because I'm drawing so much always. Oh, this is a good one. Jeez. Just a second. This is not the best one, but it's fine. It's fine. I will go over to Ethereum, but I want to know some feedback, guys. Can you smash up the like button if you want to see Ethereum? BNB, I see BNB, like a lot of altcoin recommendations. Let me do Ethereum first. But please, guys, like the video, but wow. Okay, I'm seeing something in the Ethereum charts. Like the video, guys. Let's go into Ethereum. Jeez. So we are here on the 4-hourly candles, right? And first of all, wow. I'm seeing here, I made this W pattern breakout. I think this was like a long time ago where I was making an Ethereum prediction. We hit the price target. This is not what I wanted to talk about, but there was a W. We hit my price target perfectly. I didn't take this trade myself. Let me know if you took it. But the most interesting thing here, this is what I just saw. And this is not over, like, you still have the chance. This is a W pattern on the 4-hourly candles on Ethereum. 1, 2. Look at this, guys. So if Ethereum goes and stays with significant volume in a confirmed manner above 2,400 US dollars, then the price target would be, and please, guys, not too high leverage, because if like, no one will let you make these crazy profits with like a 50x leverage. It's impossible. You will get wiped out, but especially on Ethereum. But if this one breaks out in a confirmed manner, the price target is, ladies and gentlemen, 3,100 US dollars. 3,100 US dollars from the point of the breakout being a 30% move. On like a 10x leverage, this would be a 3x of your money, a 3x. And now, guys, remember, if you want to trade this, and we have this $1,200 bonus in the video description down below, by clicking this link, you can also trade Ethereum, you can trade altcoins, you can trade gold, you can trade everything besides Bitcoin as well. So make sure you take advantage of that in the comment section down below. And this Ethereum thing, man, like, I will make a screenshot of that, and I will definitely come back to this topic here. Ethereum is getting very interesting right now. Very interesting. So do we have something else here? Yeah, this was also a descending triangle, if you want to put it like this. Wow. Like, the charts really didn't look perfect, but this is crazy. Yeah, in case you're wondering what this is a spoon with peanut butter. So I put peanut butter on the spoon and then I eat the peanut butter from the spoon. Anyways, I just want to see if anyone else in the world was ever doing something stupid like this. There's another spoon with peanut butter on it. Anyway. Maybe we go into some questions, some Q&A before I'm going back into the charts and talking about my trade, my next up and coming trade as well. Chris is hilarious. Yeah, sorry. Peanut butter. Any other questions, guys? Any other Matic BNB, like ADA? Okay. Spoonman, peanut butter. Yeah. So, I will drink water very soon. I see here many altcoin recommendations. And what we can do is, if you leave your altcoins here in the comment section and like the video to like, I don't know, at least 4,000 likes right now, if you can, would be very amazing. Then I will, in the future videos, every now and then include some of these altcoins, BNB, Cardano, whatever ones you are mentioning, wherever there's interest, I will make a video about that. Someone was saying, Chris, get wrecked video tomorrow. Possible. The price has to, and remember this, go below 33,000 US dollars to wreck me. Possible, of course. So far, it looks good. We are breaking above the EMA ribbon. Outside of the wedge, we are having crazy volume, and it's a Monday where we are pumping, since it's really pumping only since the daily candle open. However, on the other side, there is a CME gap, of course, because we pumped on the weekend slightly. There is a CME gap. And also sometimes we are just having these FU moves, so everything is possible. Last time, let me just remind you, it was in October or November 2019, this Xi Jinping pump, where we just randomly had an insane pump of like Bitcoin going up 30% or so. And then boom, we went lower than we were even before. So everything can happen here. So any other questions? Any other questions? Someone is saying law of attraction, law of attraction, law of attraction. Law of attraction doesn't work by seeking attention and just writing the same thing over in and in again. But yeah, the law of attraction is an amazing thing. More importantly, law of vibration and more these fundamental laws. If you want to research it, type in Dr. Joe Dispenza on YouTube and check his content. It's amazing. I missed this trade, Chris. What am I gonna do? So the answer sounds stupid, but the most important thing is press subscribe and press the bell and then press on all. I'm not just saying it out of fun. Like, if you don't do it, some videos you are not getting recommended. And if it is one of these crucial videos where we are just before a potential breakout trade, then of course it's a very expensive mistake not to press the subscription button, the bell, and on all. Please, guys, do it, and then you can still decide, I'm not gonna watch this video. But at least you get the notification in the moment I'm uploading this video. It's very important, guys. Man, you are the man. You are the man. Man, I love all of these comments. They are so amazing. So let's go back quickly to the Bitcoin chart and let's talk about what's happening here. So, boom. 3,600 likes. Amazing, guys. Thank you. So you can see here, of course, crazy volume and everything, yada, yada. Breakout, amazing. So far, still, we are on the 4-hourly candles. We are creating here, not a dangerous wick, but we are creating a wick here. So, of course, I don't want to see some Xi Jinping thing. And if Bitcoin just breaks down in the same volatile manner than it broke out towards the upside, it would neglect everything, all implications we actually had. But so far it looks good. So far the week is also not too breathtaking. Everything fine. It's on a Monday, so it's good. Just keep the gap in your eye, and of course don't trade with too high leverage, because you don't want to get stop run out or you don't want to get liquidated here on a potential correction for Bitcoin. So don't over leverage, right? I went 14x, that's already crazy, but only because I went in already much lower at 33,600 and then at 36,000 again. This is why a 14x was, for me personally, justified. I have another crazy news. I don't know why I forgot it, but this is the nice thing for everyone who is staying until the end. Rumors oh geez, come on, turn around. Big rumors. Amazon. Amazon set to accept Bitcoin, develops crypto strategy. So here, 2 days ago, CNBC was saying Amazon is hiring a digital currency and blockchain expert, signaling a growing interest in cryptocurrency. That's for sure. But what did this interest mean? Well, we have some new rumors coming in from Cointelegraph, where they are saying Amazon plans to accept Bitcoin payments this year, claims an insider. So let's see what this is about. What insider? It begins with Bitcoin. An anonymous insider said describing Amazon's intent to enter cryptocurrency payment area. So it's always a question, right? Anonymous insider. You have to trust the person legitimizing this guy as an insider. And I don't know. I mean, take it with a grain of salt. But one fact is that PayPal already accepted Bitcoin, right? Another fact is that we had Apple hiring crypto experts recently. Another fact is that we heard Google and many other big companies already talking about it as well. PayPal alone is a huge, huge company. And of course, they are not on par with Apple, but Apple just hired people in the cryptocurrency space. And I remember how the whole PayPal thing started. It started with PayPal hiring cryptocurrency experts like blockchain experts, developers, and so on, just like many, many months before the actual news and announcement. So the same thing is potentially happening with Apple in a few months and maybe with Amazon. Let's wait and see, but these rumors are definitely something interesting. So, any other questions, guys? You know what? I'm tired. I am tired. I have to go asleep. Any other questions? Quick questions here towards the end. Elon chill. Yes, Elon should chill. Rest in peace, those sleeves of Chris. Why? My sleeves are fine. I mean, the sleeves is... What's wrong about the sleeves? Where's the CME gap? Just type in BTC 1 exclamation mark and you will see it. Then go to the daily, please, the daily. You know what? Let's do it ourselves. BTC 1... Bam! Exclamation mark. So I will show you the gap. Okay. This is the gap. It's a full-blown massive gap, and this gap is at 32,900. So the Bitcoin price would have to go down to 32,900. And you know what? Seeing this right now, I should add more equity and deleverage myself so my liquidation price is below the CME gap, right? Just like this. I just like some equity in to deleverage myself, maybe to a 12x or 11x. So I have a much lower liquidation price than the actual CME gap, which is by coincidence here at 32,900. So thank you for the question. It was good to see and good to prepare for the worst thing to happen here. All right. Any other questions? Yeah, many people smashed the like button. Thank you very much. We are going down, way down, way down. What is your favorite watch if you could keep only one for daily? What is your favorite watch if you could keep only one for daily use? I think the AP, the Audemars Piguet, I think. Royal Oak, but daily use I wouldn't do the golden one maybe. I would do the open world, the steel, the white gold one, the steel one. But actually, I would do rose gold still. What happened to your Turkish channel? I don't know. I have to check. I think there were some problems. I have to check. Have a good rest. Yes, I have to sleep soon. Today for the peanut butter price. Come on, guys. Any questions? Any questions? What happened with Joe Rogan? Why is everyone writing something about Joe Rogan? Let me just see what happened. Everyone is writing. Let me quickly check before. Let me quickly see. No, there's nothing. Everyone is writing rest in peace Joe Rogan, but why? It's not funny. Not funny for sure. Not something to make jokes about. Any other questions? Where are the lemons? I think I have some lemons here. I love you, Chris. What do you think about XRP? Go to my Twitter. I just made a tweet about it very recently. Okay, I have some lime because I eat all the lemon. There is no lemon left if you eat lemon. Some lemon juice. And more lime. But no lemon. You know what, guys? I feel like I don't want to waste your time here. Oh, wow. I found a lemon, but it's squeezed. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, I wait for 4,000 likes. 40 likes more, come on. And let me see the price here. Interesting. Come on, 4,000 likes. Thank you very much. Good night. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm really tired. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.